Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PC freezes randomly on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go ahead and open your File Explorer and go inside this PC. And from here, make sure to right click on your system drive and then go to Properties. For most of you, it's gonna be your local disk C. So go there and then go to Properties. From here, go to Tools. From here, you'll find Error Checking. Just click on Check on this and click on Scan Drive. This is gonna take a bit of time, but just wait patiently. It's gonna find errors and fix them for you. And there you go. The scan has been successful. Your drive was successfully scanned. And you can just close this, then just click on OK. Then just minimize this. Then just go ahead and go into search and search for CMD and open up CMD as administrator. Then in here, type sfc/scan now. Just type this here. And then just go ahead and hit enter. Then just wait. It will begin another scan for your system, and if it finds something, it's gonna fix it for you. As you can see, it has already run the scan. You just need to restart your PC for this. But before that, you can do another thing. Just go to your settings. From here, just go inside Windows and Security. And from here, just click on check for updates and make sure you don't have any updates. And if you do have any updates, just go ahead and download and install those and make sure to restart your PC after. Another thing you can do is just go to Windows Security. From here, go to Virus and Threat Protection. From here, make sure to give it a quick scan. And after doing all this, just go ahead and restart your PC, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix PC freezes randomly on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.